Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio for your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds as the device list. And right here we have spatial audio, but maybe it won't enable on your device because it's not available on all devices. You can find it on your iPhone, and these features pretty much on the premium devices. So if you have a budget device, maybe these features also not available on your phone. Now to enable it, let's tap at the slider near to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!